So in today's video, we are going to learn that how to make a twin-spool turbofan jet engine in Solidworks. So at first we'll make the nacelle part of the jet engine. So let's begin. Here at first we'll sketch on the right plane. So take a line. It will be for construction and draw like this. It will be horizontal and dimension it 168 inches. Take a spline line and sketch on the top of the construction line like this and dimension it. Select this point and this point 53 inches. Select this point and this point 31.3 inches. Now take another spline line. It will be vertical and give it a dimension. It will be 7 inches. So draw a line. It will be horizontal and like this and this. And we have to give a barrel-like shape into this spline line, kind of like this. Okay, we are done. Now go to the revolve surface. Here our axis of revolution was the construction line, which we have drawn firstly. So done. Here you can see that there is no thickness out there. So we have to give the thickness. So go to the search command, search thicken. So our thicken parameters, select this surface and give it a thickness of about 1 inches. So it has given. Done. So our nacelle is ready. So now we will draw the spinner. So do the section view, right plane, sketch on the right plane, take a spline line, and draw like this. So take a line, it will be horizontal and it will be vertical, and close the surface. Now let's dimension this. Select this point and this point. It will be 18.33 inches. Select again this point and this point. It will be 28 inches. Now select this point and this point. It will be 48.11 inches. Okay. And give this spline line a bend about 12.5 dB. Okay, more than enough. Now go to the revolved pose. Here our axis of revolution will be this line and our spinner is ready. You can see. Now select OK. So as we are watching the section view, so you have to give a view of the half spinner. So our spinner is ready. Now we will make the fan blade. So make this nacelle height, go out from the section view. Now we will take our reference plane. It will be parallel to the top plane. Now the distance will be 18, 17.9. Kind of accurate. Now give it to the 18.20 inches. Okay, done. Now take another reference plane. It will be parallel to the previous plane. So before doing that, make the nacelle visible and go to the section view. Now take the plane, reference plane. It will be parallel to the plane 1. And now make the distance. Take the distance, it will be up to this 29.90. No, we'll take more, 31.60, 31.50. It will be perfect. Make this plane short. Okay, but now we will sketch on the plane 1. So make plane 2 height and make the nacelle also height. Go out from the section view and sketch on plane 1. Now make a vertical line here on the middle of the spinner like this. Now make the side line of the spinner convert entities and select the midpoint. So from this midpoint we will sketch a horizontal line like this and trim this vertical line. So from the midpoint of this horizontal line we'll sketch another vertical line and dimension it 5.345 inches. Make another vertical line and dimension the total length of this will be 10.69 inches and trim this unnecessary parts. Here we don't need this. Here we actually need these 2 points, this and this. So make a line and trim this part and this part. Take a spline line and draw like this and give it a bend. Take another spline line and also give it a bend like this. Here we actually are making a thin half moon, you can say. Now trim this part and this part. We're done. We've finished our sketch on the plane on plane 1. Now make plane 2 visible. Make plane 1 height. Sketch on plane 2. uh, take a line from here. It will be horizontal. Now take another line. It will be like this, and the angle between two line will be 30 degrees. So let's dimension it. uh, 30 degree, and this line will be 14.5 degree, 14.5 inches. Here actually the same thing. We need these 2 points, this point and this point. So we're going to do the same thing. Trim all this. Take a spline line. Give it a bend. Take another spline line. Also give it a bend. Here our another thin moon is ready. Now trim all these unnecessaries. Exit a sketch. Go to the sketch, and here we will do 3D sketches. Take a spline line. Go to the front view. Select this point and this point. From this point to this point. Okay, so our 3D sketch is done. Now go to the lofted boss. Select the profile. Select this one and this one. Like this. Our guide curves will be uh, okay. Here we did a mistake. Before going to the lofted boss, go to the 3D sketch. Go to the front view. Here we'll have to give uh, alphabet S-like shape to this curve, to this spline line. Okay, so okay, done. So let's get it out from the sketch. Okay, now we'll go to the lofted boss, select the profiles. Our profile will be this and this. Now select the guide curves, this curve and this curve. So our one fan blade is ready, you can see. Now we have to make 38 fan blade like this. So go to the circular pattern. Our direction 1 will be this, and here you can see the fan blades are ready. Then select OK. Now if you make the nacelle visible and go to the section view, you can see that this is how it looks like inside. Okay, more than accurate, you can say. Okay, now we will do the shaft in one shaft. So before doing that, make this nacelle height again. Go out from the section view and select this surface, sketch on it, Let's make a circle like this, and let's dimension this. The diameter will be 11.59 inches. Now extruded cut. Go to extruded cut. Here the depth will be 11.01. Okay, done. Now select the surface inside which we did extruded cut in the spinner and sketch on this plane. Select the circular path and do convert entities. And go to offset entities. Select reverse and it will be 0.2 inches. And select the circular path. Okay, we are done. Now delete the outer circle. Wait a minute. Now delete this outer circle. We don't need this. Wait a minute. Let's do it again. Select this surface, sketch on it. Select the circular path, do convert entities. Then go to offset entities, do reverse, make it 0.2 and select this circle and delete the outer circle. Okay, now it's ready. Now extruded boss will do. Uh, Here our length will be 110 inches. I'll select the merge result. Now it's ready, our N1 shaft is ready. Now we will make the low pressure compressor. So go to the reference plane and it will be parallel to the right plane. Do flip offset and give it a direction like 110. Now we will sketch on this plane. Select normal to. Here we will make an airfoil. So we have to give 4 stages here. So the chord length will be 4 inches. So let's do it. It will be 4 inches. We are making an airfoil. Trim this. Select the spline line from this point to this point. Give it a shape like this and select this spline line and sketch a spline line again. Give it a bend like this. Now trim this unnecessary things. We will have to give a positive angle of attack here. So go to the search bar and search rotate entities. So here we go. So select this one and this one. Center of rotation will be the rear part, and we'll give -5 degree. Now we will do uh, the extruded boss. So here our form will be offset, and this will be 55 inches. Our direction 1 will be up to the surface, and we will select this surface, which is the shaft, and it's ready. Here actually we did another mistake. So here our chord length will be a little bit smaller, not 4 inches. It will be better if we give 2.5 inches or 1 inches. So we'll go to the boss extruded, go to the sketch and edit a sketch, go to the normal tool, and like kind of like this. Okay, now exit a sketch. Now go to the circular pattern, select feature and faces, this boss extrude, direction 1 will be this shaft, and we're done. Now again go to the linear pattern. Here our direction 1 will be uh, this shaft, and the distance will be 4 inches, not 4, we'll give it to 3 inches, and the stages will be 4. Direction 1 with this, then give this direction 4 inches. 4 inches will be better, so give this 4. Okay, so done. Our low pressure compressor is ready. Now we will make the high pressure compressor following the same steps. Now sketch on this plane, select normal to, here we will make another airfoil, give it a dimension. This chord length will be, sorry, we are making the low pressure turbine, so this chord length will be 1.5 inches. Trim this. give it a positive angle of attack, go to the search bar and search rotate entities. Select this one, and the center of rotation will be this point and -5 degree. Select, now trim this. Now go to the features, extruded boss from offset, and it will be 65 inches. Direction 1 will be up to surface, and select the surface. The surface is this shaft. So now, okay. So go to the circular pattern, select this direction, and done. Now go to the linear pattern. Our direction will be this shaft. There will be the gap between this will be 4 inches. Okay, no problem. And the stages will be 5. Done. So our low pressure turbine is ready. Now we will make the N2 shaft. As I told you that it is a twin spool turbofan jet engine, so there will be 2 shafts, and this N1 shaft is connected with the fan blade, the low pressure compressor, and the low pressure turbine. So now we will make the N2 shaft. So now I sketch on this surface. Uh, Select the circular path and do convert entities, and go to the offset entities, and this will be 0.1 inches. Select this circular path. Okay, and go to the offset entities again and select the new outer circle, this one, and the distance diameter will be 1.5. Okay, we're done. Now go to the features, extruded boss. Now reverse the direction from offset. It will be 20 inches, and select this circle and this circle. Now reverse offset and reverse the direction and adjust this. Okay, we're done. So our N2 shaft is ready. Now we will sketch the high pressure compressor. Now go to the reference plane, this plane, sketch on it, select normal 2, and here we will again make an aerofoil. So the chord length will be 0.3 inches. so smaller. Trim entities. Select this point and this point. From this to this. Make an airfoil. Trim. Give it a positive angle of attack. Center of rotation will be rear part. We're basically following the same steps as we did before. So go to the features, extruded boss, from, offset, here, direct dimension will be 70 inches, direction 1 will be up to surface, and the surface will be this shaft. Okay, now do linear pattern. Direction will be this shaft. The distance will be 1 inches. There will be 14 stages. And yeah, okay, done. Now we will have to cut this compressor. So go to the top plane, sketch, select the line, take a spline line from this to this. Now close this surface. Remember, we will not cut the first blade. So give this spline line a paint. Okay, more than enough. Now go to the extruded cut. Select direction 2 and okay, it is done. Now go to the circular pattern, select the direction, go to unselect features and faces, go to bodies, or select this extruded cut. Now our high pressure compressor is ready. Okay, now we will make the last part of N2 shaft, which is the high pressure turbine. Again, sketch on this plane 3, select normal to, make an airfoil. Here our chord length will be 4 inches. Let's do it again. Select line, starts from here to here, to be 4 inches. Go to move entities, select this line to be here. Select this line. Our starting point will be this, and okay. Then go to sketch, trim entities, select the spline line, again give it a positive angle of attack, go to rotate entities, center of rotation will be rear point, minus 5 dB. Trim these unnecessary lines and go to features, extruded boss, and this will be from offset 70 inches. Direction 1 will be up to the surface, and here our surface will be this shaft. Select this shaft. Okay. We forget to do a thing that select the March result. So go to the boss extruded again. Unselect this March result and done. Go to the circular pattern, select direction 1, we're having some problem. Okay, before doing the circular pattern at first, here we need to do the linear pattern. So go to the linear pattern, select direction 1. Here the distance will be 5 inches and the stages will be 2. Okay, we're done. Here we need to cut this second blade. So go to the top plane, sketch on it. Now give this spline line a paint. Do a little bit paint. Okay. Go to extruded cut. Select direction 2. Select OK. Now go to the circular pattern. Not linear pattern. Go to circular pattern. Select direction 1. This direction 1 will be this shaft. Unselect features and faces, go to bodies, select this one, and this one. Done. So our high pressure turbine is ready. Now we will make the combustion chamber. So let's sketch on the right plane. There will be 4 stairs out there. Okay, so done. Now we will do revolved surfaces. Here our axis of revolution will be okay. Before doing that, make this sketch visible, which you can find in the surface revolved and this. Now do the revolved surfaces. Here our axis of revolution will be this center line which we have drawn at the beginning. So this. Now we have to do thicken uh, because there is no thickness out there. So now go to the thicken in the search bar and search thicken. Here our thicken parameters will be this and make a thickness about 0.30 inches. Okay, we're done. Now give it a section view. Here we will do some holes. So let's begin. Go to the top plane, sketch on it, make a circle, make a circle out there. Do convert entities. Make another circle out there. Now select these two circles, this one and this one. Go to extruded cut, select offset and 50 inches. Not 50, it will be kind of 40. If we give 75, 80. Okay, 80 is perfect. So give it to 80. So our extruded cut. Now we will do circular pattern. Select this direction, this space one, and okay. Now we will have to give some holes out there for okay. Draw a circle here. This radius will be 5 inches. Okay. Now go to the extruded cut and select offset. Direction one will be up to next and done. And again go to the circular pattern. Select this into shaft. Give it 10. Okay, we're done. So now we need to make some fuel injectors out there. So sketch on the right plane again. Make a vertical line like this. Make this vertical. Okay, now go to features, revolve pause, uh, revolve pause, no, select this line, yes, now it's okay. Go to the top plane, make a circle here, and to extruded cut, select offset and give it to 80 inches and done. Now go to the circular pattern, select direction 1 will be this, select this one, direction 1 will be this part, and features and faces, here we have to select this revolve. Okay, now we will have to make the rear part of the engine. So this is the last part. So go to the right plane, select line and sketch this one and dimension it, let's dimension it this, and this will be how many, 14 degree, not 14, it's 13 degree, 13.5 will be better. Let's dimension it 75 inches and to revolved surface or axis of revolution will be this construction line. So now go out from the section view. So our inside part of the engine is ready, and we made our nacelle before, so make this visible. So this is how our engine looks like.